So, yun na nga ang chika. For this video, isi-share ko naman sa inyo ang aking easy and affordable version ng Spanish-style bangus sardines. So, for this one, hindi na tayo gagamit ng pressure cooker dahil boneless na ang bangus at no need na rin sa olive at olive oils para mas maging affordable ang ating sardines. So, first things first, minarinate natin ang bangus sa asin at suka and then pinrito, pandagdag lasa at texture sa ating bangus. So, in another pan, ilagay natin yung carrots, bawang, pamintang buo at dahon ng laurel. Next, ilagay ang pinritong bangus at half a cup ng suka, around 2 tablespoon ng liquid seasoning at 1 small pack ng oyster sauce. Next na ilagay ang 2 tablespoon ng pickle relish, half a teaspoon ng salt at half a cup ng water. And finally, maglagay ng generous amount ng cooking oil. Simmer it under medium fire for 30 minutes and we're done. So, presenting my super easy and affordable Spanish-style bangus sardines. And that's it. I hope nagustuhan yung aking recipe for today. Thank you for watching. See you on my next recipe. Kain po!